How to replace armrest rear air vent on Volkswagen Passat B6, B7, cc from 2006 to 2016 in 7 easy steps. You can find trim removal tool set like this in the video description below. One, use a trim tool to remove that plastic part from the back of the armrest. Two, remove those two T20 Torx screws. Three, pull from the lower side and then lift the plastic part up to remove it from the armrest. Four, disconnect the cables from the 12-volt socket. Five, remove those T20 Torx screws from the air vent. Six, remove the air vent from the plastic part, pulling the lower part first. You can find rear air vent for VW Passat B6, B7, cc at the best price in the video description below. You can check the serial number 3C0819203 that is on the air vent to find new air vent for VW, Passat B6, B7, and cc. Seven, install the new air vent on the plastic part and then put the screws back. Eight, install the other parts back in reverse order of removal. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.